I will bless those who bless you. So totoo ang blessing. Ang sumpa, totoo rin ba? And whoever curses you, I will curse. And all peoples on earth will be blessed through you.
Ibraso natin, hallelujah, ang pagpapala ng Diyos na mangyari sa ating buhay. At brasuin natin yung sumpa na huwag maganap sa ating buhay, pati sa ating pamilya.
Yeah. Hey, I was stuck inside that grave a long time. Didn't think I'd make it through those long nights. But you never late, you always on time. Remember when you got me out there, you got me out there. And now I see your blessings every day. Thankful that your kingdom's on the way. Angels all around me, hear them sing like, oh.